Which part is the transparent dome-shaped front surface of the eye? Cornea, retina, choroid, or sclera? Correct answer is cornea. Cornea is a transparent part that provides major refracting powers. Next, the study of the eye is called. The study of the eye is called neurology, ophthalmology, cardiology, pathology. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is ophthalmology. Next, the approximate near point of a normal young adult eye is what? Near point. Near point of normal young adult eye is 25 centimeter. Next, the far point of a normal relaxed eye is 25 centimeter, 1 meter, 10 meter or infinity. The correct answer is infinity. Which part controls the amount of light entering the eye? Retina, iris, choroid or optic nerve? Which part controls the amount of light entering the eye? Correct answer is iris. The pupil is transparent lens or light sensitive layer or opening in the iris or blood vessel. Pupil is what? An opening in the iris. Next, in bright light, the pupil generally dilates, constricts, disappears, or become opaque. What is the correct answer? Constricts. In dim light, the pupil generally constricts, dilates, close completely, or become blue. The correct answer is dilates. The image formed on the retina is virtual and erect or real and erect, real and inverted or virtual and inverted. The correct answer is real and inverted. Which structure carries visual information toward the brain? Cornea, optic nerve, iris or sclera? The correct answer is optic nerve. Next question. Which is the tough outer protective coat? The correct answer is sclera. Which layer contains many blood vessels and supplies to the retina? The correct answer is choroid. The choroid also reduces internal reflection because it is transparent, pigmented, muscular or gel-like. Choroid is pigmented. The retina contains the main photoreceptor rods and cones. The correct answer is A. Rods are especially important for rods. Rods are especially important for dim light vision. Cones are especially important for color vision. Cones are important. C for cones and C for color. The major visual pigment in rod cells is melanin, rhodopsin, hemoglobin, insulin. The correct answer is rhodopsin. The macula or yellow spot is mainly associated with. The correct answer is sharp central vision. The blind spot is located at the optic disc. Optic disc is where the optic nerve exists. Why can the blind spot not detect light? Because lack of rods and cones. Next question. The colored part of the eye is the iris. Eye color is mainly related to the amount and distribution of melanin. The natural eye lens is approximately convex. Accommodation means the ability to focus, changing focusing power. Accommodation mainly involves ciliary muscles. Aqueous humor is mainly found in the anterior part of eye. Aqueous humor is the clear fluid. Vitreous humor is gel-like material behind the lens. Which sequence best represents the path of light? First is go to cornea, then pupil, then lens, then retina. Next question. Myopia is also called nearsightedness. Myopia is usually corrected using a concave lens. In myopia, a distant object's image tends to form in front of retina. Hypermetropia is also called farsightedness. It is corrected using which lens? Convex lens. The image tends to form behind retina. Presbyopia is mainly age-related loss of accommodation. Presbyopia may be corrected with reading or multifocal lenses. Astigmatism is commonly related to unequal curvature of optical surfaces. Unequal curvature of optical surfaces. Next. A common optical correction for astigmatism is cylindrical or toric lenses. Cataract mainly involves clouding of the natural lens. A common definitive treatment for significant cataract is lens removal with intraocular lens implantation. Cataract surgery replaces the cloudy lens with an intraocular lens. Glaucoma primarily damages the optic nerve. Xerophthalmia is strongly associated with deficiency of vitamin A. A sty is usually a painful swelling involving an eyelid gland. Strabismus means misalignment of the eyes. Most inherited color vision deficiency involves defective cone function. Important terms: near point 25 centimeter, far point infinity. Transparent front part is called cornea, colored part is called iris. Opening with pupil, the means pupil can accommodate. Light sensitive layer is called retina. Dim light receptor rod. Color receptor cone. Rod pigment present is called rhodopsin. Sharp central vision. Macula, fovea. Blind spot. Optic disc. Outer coat. Sclera. Vascular layer. Choroid. Anterior fluid. Aqueous humor. Posterior gel. Virtuous humor. Myopia correction. Concave lens. Hypermetropia correction. Convex lens. Presbyopia, age-related loss of accommodation. Cataract, cloudy lens. Glaucoma, optic nerve damage.